here and we're on our way to Aldi because it's time to re-up on some healthy items. You all know I'm on this wellness, fitness, health journey. So let's do this. Let's head over to Aldi. All your little crafting supplies in there. 20 dividers. Nice. $11. Here's a spin mop. $18. A wax warmer. It smells so good. This is cute. Pack your own lunch for meal prep. Super cute. So because I didn't want to fight with people in the store, I decided to get the waters delivered, ordered 4 cases, and we were all set to ride out this hurricane. Thank you so much for tuning into Vlogtober Day 14. I truly appreciate it. And yes, I have channel membership. It starts at 99 cents. Join today to be featured. And shout out to my amazing members: Leticia's Third Eye Point of View, Dave's Adventures, Puzzle Pieces, Boss Life Online, Sirius as a Virgo from Georgia. I am Tracy Lee. Their links will be in the description box. Go subscribe to them, and I'll see you guys back on tomorrow.